cow. What do you say? I give you milk for every day. Tutsa banta dahil cheese. I help you grow, stay strong with ease. Cluck cluck hen, sitting on her nest, lays yummy eggs. She does her best. Breakfast time is full of delight. Eggs are tasty morning to night. Papa sheep with wool so white keeps us cozy all through the night. Sweaters, gloves, and warm wool cap snuggle up for a winter nap. Manly goat is friendly and sweet, gives us milk that's good to eat. Goat milk, paneer, and more to try. Healthy treats, so me oh my. Yeehaw, donkey, neigh horse, they help us carry loads of course. Donkey strong and works all day. Horse runs fast, who wants a sleigh? Farm friends,